All right. I now want to, in fact, shift focus to a very worrying story that we have been, in fact, noticing and reporting. Two top hospitals in Delhi, the Ganga Ram Hospital and also the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, has reported more than a couple of dozen, at least in both the places, of doctors, those who have tested positive for COVID-19. Remember, the vaccination drive for the health workers was done in the first phase on priority to try and make sure that they don't fall prey to this disease. The second wave is proving to be extremely challenging. Take a look.
Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, Delhi. Doctors hit by COVID, 37. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi. Doctors hit by COVID, 35. King George Medical University, Lucknow. Doctors hit by COVID, 40. At least 112 doctors across 3 of North India's most prestigious hospitals struck by COVID-19. The COVID spread among doctors at AIIMS comes just a day after Prime Minister Modi received his second vaccine shot at the facility. A day later, at least 35 doctors have tested positive for the novel coronavirus. All the 35 doctors who have tested positive were vaccinated. Of the 35 doctors who contracted the virus, 32 are in home isolation with mild symptoms, while 5 are admitted to the hospital itself for treatment. The first such scare was at Delhi's Sir Ganga Ram Hospital on Thursday, where 37 doctors on site were reported COVID positive. Here too, while most have mild symptoms, a handful have been admitted for treatment. And at Lucknow's KJMU, in the last 3 days, 40 doctors, including its vice-chancellor and medical superintendent, have tested positive for the infection. All of the doctors who've tested positive at these facilities were vaccinated, many of them recipients of both doses of corona vaccines.
जिन लोगों को इन्फेक्शन हुए भी हैं वैक्सीनेशन के बाद, उनके इन्फेक्टिव पोटेंशियल काफ़ी कम है। जिनको जो ऑलरेडी वैक्सीनेटेड हैं, एक तो उनके अंदर माइल्ड डिजीज़ है और माइल्ड डिजीज़ वाले के जो इन्फेक्टिव पोटेंशियल है, स्प्रेड करने का पोटेंशियल है, वो बहुत कम है।
In Varanasi, the chief medical officer has also tested positive, proving that the second wave sweeping the country is taking a proper toll on frontline healthcare professionals who've had their vaccine shots. Multiple hospitals in UP and Bihar have also reported spikes in COVID cases among doctors, sparking new worries. There are 2 big worries now to be navigated. One, why some doctors are getting reinfected after 2 doses of vaccine. Second, whether this could become an unmanageable phenomena even as hospitals potentially become inundated with patients across the country. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.